Ever wondered why almond milk is gaining popularity? Well, you're about to find out. This creamy, nutty beverage is not just a tasty treat but a versatile ingredient that's making waves in the culinary world. Its rise in popularity is no surprise considering its ability to seamlessly blend into various recipes. From adding a subtle nutty twist to your morning smoothie, to lending its creamy richness to your hot cup of coffee, almond milk is a dairy-free alternative that's both delicious and beneficial for your health. So, how do you make almond milk from scratch? It's simpler than you might think. The journey begins with a handful of raw almonds. Submerge these in water and let them soak overnight. This process softens the almonds and makes them easier to blend. When the sun rises, drain the soaked almonds and pop them into your blender. Pour in 4 cups of fresh water. It's time to blend until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Now comes the magic part, straining. Grab a cheesecloth or a nut milk bag. Pour your almond mixture into it over a large bowl. Squeeze and press to extract all the liquid. This is your almond milk. But don't toss away the leftover almond pulp. It's a fantastic addition to your baking recipes or as a topping for your oatmeal. And there you have it, homemade almond milk. Fresh, nutritious, and devoid of any additives. Now that we've learned how to make almond milk, let's dive into its numerous health benefits. This creamy, nutty drink is a powerhouse of essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and calcium that contribute to our overall health and well-being. But that's not all. Almond milk is a heart-friendly choice due to its low saturated fat and cholesterol content, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. It's also a bone champion, with its calcium and vitamin D content helping to build strong and healthy bones. Looking to manage your weight? Almond milk can be your ally. It's lower in calories than cow's milk and packed with fiber. And let's not forget about skin health. The vitamin E in almond milk helps nourish your skin, leaving it radiant and healthy. Moreover, being naturally lactose-free, almond milk is easy to digest, making it a great option for those with lactose intolerance or sensitive stomachs. So next time you reach for a glass of milk, consider almond milk, a nutrient-rich alternative that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. But how can you incorporate almond milk into your daily routine? It's a breeze. Start your day with a splash of almond milk in your coffee or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy, nutrient-rich breakfast. Liven up your oatmeal or cereal with a pour of this nutty goodness. And don't forget about dessert. From dairy-free ice cream to velvety custards, almond milk is a versatile addition to your sweet treats. With almond milk, the culinary possibilities are endless. It's a delicious, healthy addition to any meal, snack, or beverage.